let's talk about an hypothetical example. Suppose there is a new brand, which is a D2C company, which has got launched in, say, home furnishing space.
Yeah.
How would they work on improving their organic traffic? What are some 3 practical ways they should approach?
So if they are new, they should focus on bringing traffic to the website organically on their own. If you open a, let's say, store, absolutely a new store on a road, and no one is visiting there, people won't visit there. If you go to a shopping mall and if you see one particular aisle, there is a product that is completely stocked there in the evening and no one has purchased it, people won't purchase it. There was a study, I don't remember the exact name of that study, but people have the tendency of buying the product that other people are buying. Search engines have the tendency of giving traffic to the website where people are already going. So don't make search your first medium of getting traffic. Bring some organic traffic. Do poster marketing, billboard marketing, social media, ads, whatever you do, just bring some visitor to your website.
So first, what I'm hearing from you is to get any type of traffic.
Organic and make people stick. I mean, have Google Analytics there. Let Google uses Google Analytics and Google uses Chrome data to discover things about websites. So when your users are coming from any medium and they are landing onto your website through using Chrome, and they are staying there for 2-3 minutes, they are browsing 10-15 pages, they are reading your content, they are looking at your product, zooming on your product images, Google is going to use all of that data to understand that, okay, this website is useful to that kind of audience, and let's show them, let's give more users to. But if you are going to rely only on search, that okay, I'll pay X amount of money to some search engine SEO agency and they will get me traffic, and if they don't, I will hire another agency. That's a never ending cycle.
So what I'm hearing is, to first 1 or 2 years, maybe the search will not kick in, okay, for organically, but you have to work on getting traffic and then driving recall.
Yeah, I mean,
maybe go and feature on Shark Tank, because people will remember you from there and then search.
yeah, I mean, make your website ready for search and then bring in your own traffic. If you have the worth already, I mean, brands don't get more traffic from Google because they are brands. They get more traffic from Google because there is a dedicated audience there. They already have an audience. And that's when Google or any other search engine will give them more value. And there is again there are a lot of misconceptions. Like one misconception is that startups should not do SEO. This is very, very dangerous. Let's see, ads are costly. SEO is cheaper in that regard. So you launch a startup and you do SEO. Okay, do it for 6 months, because when people find your website organically, you will see whether your product is fit for the market. You are not burning money on ads. You are letting user come to your website and users are telling you whether they are going to buy it or not. If your users are organically coming to your website and in that first 6 months you are getting good sales out of it, it means now the product is hit and you push money into it.
So what I would say is, I have met a lot of founders and all. Heavily funded startups give up on SEO and they move fully on ads, which is for the right reason, because they want to get hyper growth in short time. But people who have built their business organically, who have put their own credit card onto the Google ads and Meta ads, they have superbly optimized things. And there are companies like Gynoveda, Urban Monkey, Isak Fragrance, whom I am worked with. They started in the house building the companies. They have taught me a lot of SEO, like you have taught me, and it has worked wonders. And it's not easy to do. It requires a lot of patience and it requires a lot of constant improvement.
But these brands are never going anywhere. They are rock solid and they have their own audience base.